How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 screen won't turn on. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings. It will never destroy your another data like photos, videos, contacts, documents. It will only reset your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on factory data reset and then scroll down and click on reset. After the factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.